So I'm standing here with Paul Watkins, who's the Chief Commercial Officer of BBS-Bioactive bone substitutes. Paul, can you briefly tell us what you do on BBS? What's the company?
Sure. The company is an orthobiologics company in Finland. We're making a new next-generation bone graft substitute. This addresses a large market, about $3 billion a year worldwide. And the company has had this product in development for about 10 years because it's based on a very novel starting material that comes from reindeer. The company is in the late stages now, the final stages of getting CE mark certification for product launch and sales in Europe, and we're starting to initiate a process to get FDA approval for the product in the U.S. But we'll first plan on doing market entry in Europe, then the U.S., and then the rest of the world.
Your product, ArtBone, what would you say are the main advantages if we compare the product to, let's say, autograft or other products on the market?
Sure. The main advantages are that the BBS product actually is a product that combines a very unique source of an osteoinductive component. This is needed to start bone growth, and we obtain this from reindeer bone by isolating the proteins from reindeer bone. This is combined with a chemical substrate that then allows, in a single product, our first product will be in a syringe, to allow the surgeon to have a one-step introduction of the product as a bone void substitute for the different types of orthopedic surgical indications that are needed.
And if we look at it from the patient's perspective, what would you say are the benefits for the patients?
Well, the main benefit for a bone graft substitute is to avoid an autograft. An autograft is still the clinical standard currently used, but because this requires a second surgery on the patient, there's risks and complications, including pain following the second site surgery. So the main benefits to a bone graft substitute is to as an alternative to an autograft, and the benefits of having our ArtBone product used is that it has significant performance and safety features above and beyond the current bone graft substitute products in the market.
And in the process of taking the product to the market, where are you?
We're in the late stages now of getting certification, CE marking. In Europe, this requires a notified body and competent authorities to weigh in. Because we have a very highly innovative product, it's taken some time, but we're now in the very final stages, and especially after having completed the first in-human clinical study for safety and performance of the product. And so we're confident that we'll get a CE mark sometime within the next 12 months.
And how are you planning on selling the product? Distributors, own sales organization, or maybe both? We're
going to focus, since we're a Finnish biotech company, we'll finish on introducing and launching the product in the Nordic countries using a very small number of sales representatives. These will be product specialists that'll be very knowledgeable and can translate the value proposition of the product. Their selling effort will be well supported by the fact that this product will be already clinically validated, unlike most other types of products that are introduced into the market.
And if we look forward here, what milestones do you expect to achieve in the near future?
Well, milestones are completing the registration process by getting the CE marking. We're in the very final stages called gap filling, where there's some additional work to be done. But because we have a manufacturing facility and BBS owns and controls the entire production of the reindeer protein extract and also the final assembly of the ArtBone products and product families, the milestone there is to basically finish a quality systems audit for CE marking and then continue the product line expansion.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you.